Hello children. So today we will be seeing unit 3 prose. The first lesson, a visitor from distant land. So this lesson is about your day to day spices and vegetables that we eat. So you all know they come from the farm, but we do not know exactly from which place of these vegetables and spices come from. So in this lesson you will be seeing that these vegetables and spices are come from different parts of our country. So let's get started and see. So in this page you see mango, salt, bitter gourd, beetle, chili, lime. So each of them have their own flavor. For example, mango is very sweet, and bitter gourd, it will be bitter. Salt, it is salty, and green chili, it is pungent. So each spice has their own flavor. So now we begin the lesson. This lesson is about two little children. That is, one is Mani and his little sister Selvi. Now Mani's family lived in a village near Sanjeev in Viluppuram district. Mani liked only a few vegetables. They are potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. One day when Amma served potato curry, Mani said, "I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables." So his sister immediately said, "No, they are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop." So his sister thought that it is not come from foreign, but his mother bought it from a vegetable shop near the bus stop. So he runs to Appa. "Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India." So his father asked him, "So what? Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat local grown food." So Mani remembers what his teacher has told him in school, to buy only Indian goods. So he understood that potato was not from India. So he refused to eat it. And he wanted only the vegetables that were from India. So this is the first page. Now we will be moving on to the next page. Here Mani says, "She also told us to use things made in our country." So his teacher has advised Mani to use only good Indian goods. So his sister asked him, "What else did your teacher tell you?" So he replies, "And you cannot order tomato soup either, or even pineapple juice." So his father is telling him that these two must have been his favorite dishes. So his father tells him that he cannot eat tomato and pineapples because they are also not Indian vegetable and fruit. Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch movie. So his mother tells him that he cannot even have popcorn. So his little sister comments, "Mani, then you can't order anything." So his sister tells him that he cannot eat anything of his favorite food. So Mani replies, "Why? Why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to?" So his mother replies, "Don't you know that corn, tomato and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries?" So his mother is teaching him more about the fruits and vegetables that are come from other countries. Next, his sister asks, "Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here?" So his sister innocently asks, how did these vegetables come here? Whether they came in a plane or what? So father replies, "No, no. Some merchants brought them here long ago by sea." So these fruits and vegetables are come by sea many years ago. So why did they bring vegetables to India? This is asked by Mani. So Amma and Appa started to laugh. Then Selvi replies, they could have brought some sweets. Why didn't they? So mother replies, people came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. So he was the first person to sail around the sea and he landed in Kerala. He has come in search of black pepper. Imagine the joy of the sailor when they reached Kozhikode, that is a place in Kerala, and found black pepper. They took a lot of black pepper to their country. So they were so happy that he found pepper and he loaded his ship with lot of black pepper and he took it to his country. They took spices from India, not only black pepper, but the Portuguese have taken many varieties of spices from India. And they are the ones who brought in different types of spices, fruits and vegetables from different parts of the country. Next. Yes, but who brought the vegetable into India? Mani asks his father. So his father replies, the Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. So among the vegetables, potato was even one of the vegetables brought by the Portuguese to India. Now, Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat. So they were so hungry, so they looked at the plate that the mother prepared potato curry for them that day and they began to eat it. Then Mani asked, wow, this potato has travelled so far. So mother replies, careful, Selvi, don't upset our foreign visitors. So mother is telling about the potatoes. So don't upset our foreign visitor, that is the potato. Eat them slowly. So Selvi pulled a long green chili out of the curry. So you know what's a green chili. So she pulled out the green chili from her curry. And she asked, who is the foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me? So father replies, no, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chili. So even the green chili is a foreign fruit. Now mother explains it to her. The sailor was actually looking for India. He wanted to buy black pepper. Instead, he found South America and the chili. Now father says, chilies were very popular in South America, but no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. So there was one sailor, his name is Christopher Columbus. So he sailed to South America and found this green chili. Since of the spiciness, he took it along with him to his country. So meanwhile, this is how the chilies have travelled to the other parts of the country. Now mother says, it was a little sad, but because he went to South America, he found the chilies. It was as spicy as the black pepper. And so Christopher Columbus packed the chilies and took it back to his country with him. So he packed up the chilies and took it to him. So Selvi says, how sad for Columbus. So she feels very sad. He came off in search of black pepper, but he found green chilies. It is equally as spicy as pepper. Now Mani says, but how did it come here? So father replies, chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. And chilies are cultivated more in Ramanathapuram district in Tamil Nadu. So even chilies is one of the spicy things that was brought by the Portuguese to India. Now mother says, in India, chilies was first brought into Goa and the people there learned to use this new spice in their cooking. Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. So the mother says that the chili was first brought into India in a place, Goa. Before they could use and find green chilies, they were using only black pepper in their food. Next, Mani and Selvi looked at the chilies on their plate. And then Mani says, and how you make our food delicious. So he takes the chilies in his hands and he says that the spiciness of this chili makes his food more delicious. Then his sister says, what a long distance you have travelled. They shouted and quickly took a bite of the chili. Then his sister says, the taste you would be very bad and so we are going to eat you. Ha, it's hot and spicy. Of course, we know the taste of a green chili is very hot and spicy. So this is the end of this lesson. So hope you have understood this lesson, children. It is just about the spices and how they have come to India. Now let us look at the glossary. The first one, foreign, belongs to other country. Merchants, people who trade. Sailed, travelled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventurous, brave and bold. Popular, well known. Study, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Now read and understand. Work in pairs, tick the best option. When Amma said, don't upset the foreign visitors, she meant dash. So who did she mean? Potato, pepper or the chili? She meant the potatoes. Second one, Selvi asked, did they come in an aeroplane? Because your options are, was joking, did not understand her mother, thought it would be fun. Your answer is, did not understand her mother. Third question, Amma bought the vegetables from the dash. Shops, shopping mall, supermarket. She bought it from the shop. Now let me see how far you have understood the story. Who first brought these vegetables to India? Good. They are the Portuguese who brought the vegetables to India. Second question, who came to India from Portugal in search of pepper? It was Vasco da Gama who came from Portugal in search of pepper to India. Their third question, what did Amma mean when she said tomatoes, ladyfingers and corn came from other countries? So she meant that not only the potato was from the other country, but even these vegetables were from other countries. So in the next class, I will be sending you your question and answers, and we will even be seeing the textbook exercises. So just read through the lesson, children, and understand it. So I will meet you back in the next class. Thank you.